pretty cool. They built, I know. They built this church here. All the detailing's impeccable. Even the bathrooms, the brickwork and the detailing on the brickwork. Look at this thing. Turn around. There's a baseball field. Dude, the detailing here is insane. I love how it's just cast concrete for the benches there. Like you got a scoreboard, you see it? You got all AstroTurf here. The curb cut between our sidewalk and the baseball field's phenomenal. It's like a little minor league, little league kind of thing going on. You got the food truck parked over here. The church, the detailing on the construction on the church is insane. Real cedar shape for shingles. It's crazy. And then right behind you, concession stand for the baseball. Yeah, I'm thinking that'd be a good one. It's all right, man. We'll have to go in it. Yeah, they're going in it. Let's take a peek. Nice.
Yes, it is. Are y'all? Yes.
Yep, which was? You guessed right. I may know somebody who's a little jealous of this thing. That thing's super cool. Photo booth. Do it for the gram. I know I want a coffee. I don't want a cupcake right now. Maybe on our way back from Dallas, we'll stop and get a coffee. Or a cupcake. We'll get a coffee though right now. We're gonna go into the store. Yeah. Gonna get a picture of me here? Yeah, I got you. I got a couple. We'll check them out. Let's do videos. You gotta do like the basic thing. Over there. Over there. I made it.
Want one together? Are you guys brothers?
Twins. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're brothers.
Awesome.
Yeah, I guess that works.
Where do I press?
Oh, you should just have to press no, right? Yeah. Thank you.
What is the
Try. What did I get, you may ask? Size small, because you know, it's not for me. Oh shoot, what are you trying to allude to? That I don't wear small shirts. You check out the seed one, then I need a coffee, because it's hot. You're not just saying coffee. An iced coffee. You try to play Jenga? Excuse me while I water my succulents. These little guys are so sick.